So like today I am thinking to solve DSA problems only. In the project, like I need to do more research on how I will be implementing the update methods and the delete methods. So for the time being, I am just trying to solve the problems. So yeah, let's solve the. I guess I have solved this in rotate array. This is the medium. So if I have already solved some problem, I'll be solving on the medium and hard problem to just revise all the topics. Yes. Okay. I know how to solve this problem. Define reverse array left comma right. While left less than right, while left is an array of left comma array of right, array of right comma array of left. Okay, this should work. Left plus equal to 1, right minus equal to 1, and d equal to d percentile then of array. So we need to sort this. Reverse first, we will call this I 0, len array minus 1, reverse 0 say d plus d minus 1, right, and reverse d comma len of array, and yes, it should work fine. We need to call this for like this. I'm just an idiot. Okay. what is required. I'm letting this here. So okay, let's see take here 246. So we can divide this 246 642 so first we divide this, right? First I divide this. Now I n minus 1 से लेके 3. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 3 is about 6. We need to 3. So from 2 to -1. So we can do this, but I'm not so like I do have 1 6 14, right? And here, so let me just d array -1. So 3 and 9. This is d is 3, okay, and it is 9, okay, and it is 6, and it is 5. Why it is 5? It is 5. It should not be 5, right? इस पॉइंट से +1 पे स्टार्ट करना है. I should start from this. Yeah, so it is done. Cool. Let's count its majority element. Given an array consisting of n integers, the task is to find all the elements which occurs more than n, I think. Okay, so n by 3 times more than, so there could be only 2 elements, right? So given an array consisting of an integer, the task is to find the, so there is one approach. Let me show you. I know how to do this from collections, import counter equal to counter array, result to this for key comma value in counter dot items if value greater than len of array n by 3 divided by 3. Result put append key, and this will solve the problem. We start it, so let's start this, or we can do this because I know that result, max of result, and if there is no element, but let it be, just return this sorted, there should be not a problem. There is only two elements, there should be max 2 element, right? So it here in this solution, the only problem is that we are using the extra step, but we can avoid using this. I knew how to solve this, so let me just recap, because like the n by 3 simply tells that there could maximum more than, right? So there, if let's say 3 elements, so will be 0, right? If there is 2 and 1, right? So they are greater than 2. Okay. What approach can we follow for this problem, right? Let me think of the approach. So let's say the majority is my 2, right? Majority is my 2. So do I have any hints or something? The idea is that there can be two methods here, which appear more than. So we can use voting algorithm as iterate array by adding potential majority elements by keeping track of two candidates. We like to variable -1 and become a candidate into variable. If element is equal to candidate, update the candidate's count. If the count of candidate reaches 0, then replace the candidate with the current element. If neither candidate matches or both counts are 0, decrement the count. After this, in the second pass, we check if the chosen candidate appear more than. Count 0. Count 0 set element. Since element 1 is equal to 2, include the count 1. Since count 2 is 0, current element 1 but is not equal to, decrement both count by 1. So like I forgot this method was there, so we can use this method and we can like candidate 1 -1 candidate 2 -1. अगर एलिमेंट इक्वल टू 1 है तो कैंडिडेट 1 का काउंटर एल्स एलिफ अगर एलिमेंट कैंडिडेट 2 के बराबर है तो कैंडिडेट 2 डॉट काउंट को प्लस इक्वल टू 1 कर दो, प्लस इक्वल टू 1 एल्स कंडीशन में जाते हैं। इफ़ कैंडिडेट 1 काउंट इक्वल टू 0 है, कैंडिडेट 1 को एलिमेंट के बराबर कर दो। एलिफ में अगर कैंडिडेट 2 काउंट इक्वल टू 0 है, कैंडिडेट 2 एलिमेंट कर दो, एल्स कैंडिडेट 1 काउंट इक्वल टू 1, कैंडिडेट 2 काउंट इक्वल टू 4 एलिमेंट see it. So like I have done some mistake here. So element 1 नहीं है, element 2 नहीं है, candidate count 1 है तो candidate 1 को कर दिया 1, राइट, इसमें 2 बराबर नहीं है किसी के, करना 2, ठीक है। At this point आया तो कैंडिडेट 1 को 2 कर दिया, कैंडिडेट 1 का काउंट, यहाँ पे कैंडिडेट 1 का काउंट को इक्वल टू 1 करना है, दिस शुड वर्क फाइन। Yes, correct. Stock buy and sell. So let's solve this stock and buy and sell problem. The cost of stock is given this, and then you decide to either buy or sell the stock. You can even buy and sell the stock on the same day. Find the maximum profit you can get. So it's a simple I equal to 0. So let's see that the size is greater than 1 if len of prices says equal to 1, return 0, because we do not have profit to 0 for I in range 1 comma len of prices current difference जाएगा prices comma I minus prices comma I minus 1. If current difference is positive greater than 0, profit was equal to current difference. Buy and sell problem. Given n prices of length n representing the prices of the stock on different days, the task is to find the maximum profit possible by buying or selling the stock on different days when at most one transaction is allowed. How many means 1 buy plus 1 sell. If it is not possible to make a profit, then return 0. You can buy the stock on day 2 at price 1 and sell it on pay, hence the profit means 1 buy and 1 sell. Given the prices of the land, we need to find the maximum difference to be right, correct? We need to find the maximum difference. Okay, so I get here 10. If it is coming as negative, then this value is less than this, so we can go to this here. Current profit is 3, 6, 7, 2, 9. Okay, I think I knew I can solve this easy problem. Profit, next profit equal to 0. ठीक है, और same here, if len of prices equal to 1, return 0. Okay, for I in range लेफ्ट वाला स्टॉक मेरा हो जाएगा लेफ्ट विज 0 और आई इन रेंज 1 to len of prices. Okay, next profit current डिफरेंस हो जाएगा, करंट डिफरेंस हो जाएगा, करंट डिफरेंस हो जाएगा करंट डिफरेंस हो जाएगा प्राइसेस ऑफ आई माइनस प्राइसेस ऑफ लास्ट left. Next profit max of current difference, right? If current difference less than equal to 0, left equal to I, and that's perfect. And this should work fine. So like today how many problems I solved? I solved rotate an array by D, majority element, stock by cell, stock by. So today I solved 4 problems, and I think it is good for me, and I can now wrap up this, right? Yes. So thank you for joining the stream, and thank you.